Right now we're reaching Predeal. Usually at the entrance of Predeal it starts to get really crowded.
Curbe deosebit de periculoase înainte.
But here, trust me, it is no point in being in a rush. All these drivers will get to the point where they will stay in a line, bumper to bumper, just like this, just in a matter of a few hundred of meters. And we will all be like this on the entire distance in Valea Prahovei. It's not worth accelerating here. You're just burning gas, and right away you'll have to brake. You can see they didn't gain more than 10 seconds. But the danger is really high, and God forbid of an accident if it happens here. The whole road can be blocked for hours. I see that my Bluetooth also catches some radio station right here, but it's indistinguishable. Predeal as a mountain resort, it is only for transit. You don't have snow here. There is a ski slope, but the entire town feels
Viteză redusă înainte.
neglected. Yeah, the ski slope is there, but in this area the snow is melted even there. You can't ski at the moment. The snow season has been officially closed here. Only if you want, I don't know, to eat something, to get a drink, maybe check in here, but travel in the surrounding mountain resorts there towards Bușteni and Sinaia, or in Brașov and Poiana Brașov. Otherwise there isn't much to do right here, and yeah, it's this is the overall feeling as a town that has been neglected for decades. And here it is, exactly what I told you. For the next 12 minutes we will be stopped, or at least it will take us 12 minutes to drive, I don't know, a kilometer, maybe not even so, at the entrance. We're approaching the entrance of Bușteni. Here is the major issue. It is a really beautiful mountain resort. The mountains can be seen in all their splendor, but also it has many crosswalks, like at least 7, maybe even more, at least 7 crosswalks from one side to the other, crossing this main road, this national road. Basically this is the national road number 1, DN1, and due to this fact, plus the only one lane, the increase of traffic, but also the pedestrians and the cars that want to park on a side or on another, here it is always like this when the weather is beautiful. So this is why it is no point in flooring the acceleration. I mean, every second that you would gain, you will basically wipe it off when you will reach this section.